Let us see exercise 6.2, fifth question. Now see the question. A flagpole of h meters is on the top of the hemispherical dome of radius r meters. A man is standing 7 meter away from the dome, seeing the top of the pole at an angle 45 degree and moving 5 meter away from the dome and seeing the bottom of the pole at an angle 30 degree. Find the height of the pole and the radius of the dome. So in our question what they have given, so question itself diagram they have given. See here one hemispherical, okay, so this is dome, okay, so one hemispherical dome. After on the top of the hemispherical dome they have fixed one flagpole, okay, so flagpole. After, so see here a flagpole of height meters, so this is the flagpole, okay, so this is the pole, so this height they have given height meters, okay, so height you can write. The next one is on the top of the hemispherical dome of radius r meters. You know that this is hemispherical, the circle, half of the circle only, okay, so this center to this boundary of the circle, this is, you know that is the radius only, okay, so this is radius, this part also radius only, this is also radius, here also that is radius, okay, center to this boundary, this is also radius, okay, so r they have given, okay, so r meters, radius r meters, this also r, okay, so this also radius, this also radius only. The next one what they have given, a man is standing 7 meter away from the dome, okay, so you know that this is a hemispherical dome. On the top of the hemispherical dome they have fixed one flagpole, that height they have given height meters. The radius means, so this is a half of the circle only, so here center to this boundary of the circle, you know that is radius, this also radius only, okay, so this center to this boundary of the circle, so here this is r meters they have given, so this also r, here this also r, okay. Next in our question, a man is standing 7 meter away from the dome, okay, so you know that this is the ending of the dome, okay, so a man is standing away from 7 meter away from the dome, okay, from here to here 7 meter away from the dome, here only now the man is standing, okay. So after our question what they have given, seeing the 7 meter away from the dome, seeing the top of the pole, okay, so now 7 meter away from the dome, now the man is standing here, okay, so now he is looking at the top of the pole, so this is the top of the pole, this is the bottom of the pole, okay, so 7 meter away from the dome, now he is looking at the top of the pole only. In which degree angle they have given, that is 45 degree angle, okay, so this angle, this is 45 degree, this also you can join, okay, 7 meter away from the dome, okay, so you can join. Now this is the horizontal line. After he is looking at the top of the pole only, okay, so in which degree angle, 45 degree angle, okay. So the next one, and moving, again he is moving 5 meter away from the dome, okay, so again he is moving 5 meter away from the dome, okay, so now the man is standing here, okay, now he is looking at the, you can join this line, this distance is 5 meter, okay, so first 7 meter away from the dome he is looking at the top of the pole, okay, so in 45 degree angle, so you can join this one. Next again he is moving 5 meter away from the dome, now he is looking at the bottom of the pole, okay, so in which degree angle you can join, this is the line of sight, this is the horizontal line, this distance 5 meter, this distance 7 meter, in which degree angle he is looking at the bottom of the pole, 30 degree angle, okay. So now this is the diagram they have given. So now see the solution. Our question what they have asked to find out the height of the pole. Height of the pole means, you know that this distance already they have given in our question itself, that is height meters, so this height they have asked to find out. Next radius of the dome, this distance also, this or this one, okay, so that also they have given r meters, radius r meters, so that radius also we have to find out. Now see this diagram again we have drawn, so you can put the letters also, okay, so same diagram only, put the letters A, B, C, D, E, okay, can you understood, this height meters they have given this distance. After this one R, you know that this also radius only, so that also R only, okay, so you can write. So here after 7 meter away from the dome, the man is standing here, now he is looking at the top of the pole in 45 degree angle, okay, so after 5 meter away from the pole. Now the man is standing here. Join this distance, that is 5 meter. Now he is looking at the bottom of the pole. Okay, so in 30-degree angle. Put the letter A, B, C. This here no need. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so continuously you can put the letters. Now see how many right triangle you have. Now you can look at this diagram. So this one right angle triangle in 30-degree. Okay, after this one right angle in 45-degree. Okay, so two right angle triangle we have. So now see, let CD be the radius of the hemispherical. Radius of the you know that this is the radius. Okay, let CD be the radius of the hemispherical and D be the flagpole. Okay, so you know that this is D we have taken, so this is flagpole. Okay, so the next one, D is equal to height. So D means flagpole, that height they have given height meters, so that is height. CD means radius. Okay, so radius of the hemisphere, that's hemispherical, so that R meters they have given. CD is equal to R. C means what is it? Now see here, CE. C means this full length. Okay, from the flagpole to top of the flagpole to this one. Okay, so hemispherical, bottom of this hemispherical. Okay, so this distance what it will come, so that length CE. C means this length, you know that is R. This length, you know that is height. So this two lengths if you add it only you can get it CE. Then R plus height, CD plus DE. Okay, so CD length, that is R, DE length, height. Okay, so that is the CE length. CE length means that is R plus height. Okay, so we can write C is equal to R plus height. Next, BC is equal to R plus 7. Now see BC length, B to C. Okay, so BC length. Now see this much length, that is R, you know that. Okay, so after here this much length, 7 meters. So this plus this, if you add it only, R plus 7. Why you didn't put this here letter? Because the right angle triangle here only. Okay, so this ending, this corner and this corner. Okay, so after this right angle triangle, this corner one letter, here this corner, this corner. Okay, so that's why we didn't put the letter here. Okay, so we don't put it here. So now see here, BC length means this length plus this length only, so that is R plus 7 it will come. Okay, the next one, this full length if you want to find out, then what it will come, AC length means what are the things we need to add, this full. Okay, so that is R, this length, that is plus 7, this length plus 5. So R plus 7 plus 5 mean that is R plus 12, this full length, AC length. Okay, so these are the things. So in what are the things we have written here? Let CD be the radius. Okay, so we know that this is radius, this is D be the height of the pole. So this full length CE length means R plus height it will come. So this length, this much, because the right angle triangle you can see. Okay, so that's why we are find outing this length. Okay, so this length, this right angle triangle mean this length we needed. Okay, so that's why you can add it, this R plus 7, this full length also we needed, so that is R plus height. The next right angle triangle, this one. Okay, so this full length we needed, so that's why we are adding R plus 7 plus 5, that is R plus 12. After this length, that is R, we know that. Okay, so everything we have written. Now we can find out first what is it in right angle triangle ACD, where it is ACD. Okay, so this right angle triangle we have taken, this right angle, so this hypotenuse. Now this angle correctly take. Okay, so this angle, that is for 30 degree. Okay, so 30 degree angle, that angle A only. How to write? CAD or DAC, that is 30 degree angle. Okay, so now this right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, what are the things? Now this length, that is R plus 12, you know that. This length we know that is R. Okay, so what are the things we know that? This is the angle, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent, you know that. Here this part you need to find out, this part we know that. Okay, so that's why opposite and adjacent mean which ratio we can consider? Tan ratio. Okay, so tan which angle? 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, how we can write? CD divided by AC. CD divided by AC. tan 30 degree value, know that 1 by root 3 is equal to CD. Everything we have written here. Okay, so first itself we have to write here, then only easily you can write. Okay, so CD divided by AC. CD is equal to what is it? R divided by AC, that is R plus 12. Now you can calculate in between equal to you have. So can you cross multiply? So R plus 12 is equal to, that means 1 into this part. 1 into this part means same this part only we will get. So R plus 12 is equal to root 3 into R, that is root 3R. Now here R you have, here also R you have. Can you bring it both one together? So this R, if you bring it to that side, mean it will become minus. So root 3R minus R is equal to 12. Okay, so we are interchanging and we have written. So the next one, this part and this part, R is common. So can you make it R outside? So root 3 remaining it will come minus R, already we have taken outside, R into 1 only R. Okay, so 1 remaining it will come. So equal to 12. R into root 3 value, you know that is 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 12. R into this and this, if you subtract 0.732 is equal to 12, then R is equal to 12. This is multiplication. Okay, so this, if you bring it to this side, it will become division. Okay, so the denominator you have denominator you have after the point 3 digit. Okay, so if you want to remove this decimal mean, so 3 digit means multiply and divide by 1000. Okay, so 1000 if you divide and multiply means you will get 12 into 1000, 12,000 divided by this with this one, if you multiply the point will remove, that is 732. If you divide means you will get the answer. R is equal to 39 meter, that is radius. Okay, so radius R value, one question answer we have got it. Next right angle triangle. So next right angle triangle, what is it? This already we have taken. Okay, so next right angle triangle, that is BCE only. Okay, so this right angle, so BCE only. Okay, BCE, angle name angle B, that is 45 degree. So how we can write? BCE, right angle triangle BCE or ECB. Next angle, what do you know that? Angle B, know that. Then how we can write? CBE or EBC, that is 45 degree. Here also you know that this length, you know that this full length, you know that R plus H. So this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Okay, so this side is hypotenuse. So this and this, you know that. Okay, so then opposite and adjacent mean tan ratio, here also you can take. Okay, so tan means tan which angle, that is 45 degree. Tan 45 degree, what it will come? So opposite and adjacent means this part divided by this part. So CE divided by BC. Okay, so CE divided by BC. Tan 45 degree value, you know that 1 is equal to CE. Everything already we have written. CE is equal to R plus H divided by BC. Here what is it? R plus 7. Now this part, can you bring it to the side? R plus H is equal to R plus 7. Then here this R, if you bring it to the side, R minus R 0 only. So we can, here itself we can cancel it. Okay, so now height is equal to 7 meters. So this height mean height of the pole, flag pole only. Okay, so height you have got it and radius you have got it. So answer you have to write. The height of the pole is 7 meter and the radius of the dome is 16.39 meter. Okay, so these two answers only. Thank you.